Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you two super easy ways to add motivational quotes like this one to your Notion page. This is my to-do dashboard, and over here I have included a little widget here to help keep me motivated. Let's jump in. First, head over to indify.co. If you do not already have an account, just sign up for one. It's totally free. Once you're in, scroll down and look for the quotes widget under Explore Widgets. Click Create Widget. Now this is the fun part. To customize the quotes, just select an Instagram account you want to pull the quotes from. For mine, I've chosen @thegoodquote. You can also tweak things like the background color, font size, or whether you want the little customize and refresh buttons to appear. I kept everything default, but feel free to play around and make it yours. Once you're happy, click the clipboard icon to copy the widget link. Now let's bring it into Notion. Back in your Notion page, paste the link. And when this paste as menu pops up, choose Embed. And your quote widget is now in Notion. You can resize it by dragging the black bars on the side. To change the quote, simply click on the little refresh icon in the bottom left corner to load a new one. Or click Customize to jump back into Indify and change the settings anytime. If you prefer a more aesthetic vibe, here's another cool option. Go to this webpage on flocus.com and copy the URL from your browser. Now head back into Notion. Paste the link and when prompted, choose Embed. Then resize it however you want. To customize this one, click the gear icon in the corner and you'll be able to change the font, background, and even the category of quotes. You can also refresh it using the arrow icon just like before. And that's it. Two easy ways to add quote widgets in Notion. If you want to skip the setup, download my to-do dashboard. It comes with both widgets pre-installed. You'll find the link in the description below. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Notion tips so that this video can be pushed to the right community who might find it useful. And leave a comment if you try this out. I'd love to see your setup. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.